To be a business owner, you have to get out of that consumer mindset. Business is a muscle. You gotta grow that muscle. I said it before. I know guys that got a whole studio, just pianos on top of pianos and racks. When you go in their studio, it's like you in the freaking Starship Enterprise. Like they hitting switches and we gotta warm up this. You like, wow, they got lights and turntables and can't play a piano to say they freaking light. They ding, 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 ding. Ding, ding, ding. And you're like, bro, you can't put a chord together? You got 3 layers of keyboards there. You don't know how to play a chord? You spent all this money and didn't take a piano class? You don't understand the basics of music? Like, you don't know none of that? Stay away from them people. They think that products will solve everything. You will not get to where you want to get in life depending on a product. You gotta strengthen this. This is gonna take you from rags to riches.